guys.
Hi guys.
Say my name is Donaldo. Sorry guys, we were having technical difficulties. So Donaldo, why are you wrapped in a towel? Donaldo, why are you wrapped in a towel?
Because I flipped over.
You flipped over from the jet ski?
So my uncle, I don't know if you guys can see them, they're down there. They have jet skis. And he was riding with my dad and my uncle, and they were somewhere over there in the water, and they flipped over. And he's soaking wet. He's like soaking wet. How fun was that?
Bad.
That was fun?
No, bad.
He grabbed my uncle by the neck, like hugged him like this, like almost choked my uncle, I would say.
I held Gio's neck.
Yeah.
I like, don't leave me. I got that.
How'd you fall? Was he going too fast?
Yeah, he was going too fast.
Yeah, I like, no, I'll be
And then you flipped over.
Yeah, or then
Yeah, so we're here. Okay, guys, so we didn't tell you guys this, but we're in Utah right now, right? Erika, we're in Utah?
I wanted to live it over.
We stopped in Las Vegas, in Mesquite.
Están en vivo en su YouTube channel.
Diles hola, tío. He's just like, hi. So we're gonna bring you
Está
in.
contándonos su historia.
Okay, say bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Stop farting.
Why you-
Acá lo tengo, pa. Y que se echa
Bye, guys.
mi